Hi guys, join me to make pink lip scrub. So we have sugar, we have pink food color, we have BB Clear whitening oil, we have our lemon juice and empty container to mix the whole product, and an empty plate to mix it. So the first thing you're going to do is you add in your sugar in the plate. Add in a little amount of sugar in the plate. Afterwards, you add in your BB Clear whitening oil. You have to add a little bit. That is what is going to make your lips to whiten a bit. Okay, another thing you're going to add is lemon juice, a little bit of lemon juice. You give that a mix as well. Afterwards, you add in your food color. It's your food color that is going to make it pink. Pink food color, that is what you're going to add to it. And you give that a good mix. Voila, your pink lips scrub is ready. So this is how to make the pink lip scrub. Kindly like this video and kindly leave your comment below if you want your lips to be pink. This is how to use the pink lip scrub. You use it to scrub your lips every morning. If you want to achieve that pink lips naturally without going to tattoo your lips, this is for you. So afterwards, you wash it off. Then you use a Vaseline, the pink Vaseline, to moisturize your lips. Do that every day and your black lips will be gone. Like this video, comment below. Bye for now.